Welcome to the strategic overview of project planning and activity sequencing for large-scale IT programs. Our journey is organized into 6 distinct phases, each tailored to orchestrate the complex interplay of tasks, resources, and stakeholder engagement necessary for the successful delivery of our IT initiatives. In Phase 1, the initiation phase, we lay the foundations of our project, engaging stakeholders and finalizing the initial plans. As we transition to Phase 2 planning, we dive deep into the intricacies of our project requirements and set the stage for development. With the groundwork laid, we move into Phase 3, execution, where our plans are transformed into action and tangible progress. Entering Phase 4, testing, we rigorously validate our deliverables to ensure quality and performance. Phase 5, Go Live, is the climax of our project where we launch our solution into the operational environment. Finally, in Phase 6, Closure, we wrap up with financial reconciliation, lessons learned, and celebrate the realization of benefits. Welcome to the initiation phase of our large IT project. This phase is the cornerstone of project planning and sets the stage for success. We begin by identifying our key stakeholders and engaging them early on to ensure alignment with their expectations. A statement of work, or SOW, will be crafted, meticulously reviewed, and signed off to define the project scope and deliverables. Budget planning and scheduling are initiated here, laying the groundwork for resource allocation. We will conduct thorough reviews with stakeholders and the project sponsor, establishing strong project governance. By the end of this phase, we will have our project charter approved and be ready for a strong project kickoff. Transitioning to the planning phase, we focus on shaping the project's roadmap. Requirements gathering is our top priority, ensuring that we have a clear understanding of what needs to be built. We will delve into integration requirements and undergo rigorous design and architecture reviews. Security and data privacy requirements will be evaluated and enforced. Following this, we'll set up our development instance and create a comprehensive backlog. Sprints will be meticulously planned, laying out the release milestones. Our attention to detail in this phase is critical for seamless execution. Entering the execution phase, we hit the ground running with our Agile sprints. QA and UAT instances will be set up to support quality assurance and user acceptance testing. Our days will be structured around sprint planning and daily stand-ups, ensuring continuous progress and adaptability. Sprint retrospectives will allow us to reflect and improve, while sprint demos will demonstrate our accomplishments. The creation of test scripts, along with test seat and performance test planning and execution, will ensure that our deliverables meet the highest quality standards. As we advance into the testing phase, our goal is to validate our outputs through comprehensive systems end-to-end testing and user acceptance testing. A robust data migration plan will be enacted, ensuring data integrity and continuity. We will formulate a support plan and a detailed deployment plan, anticipating any challenges that may arise during the go-live stage. This phase is critical for mitigating risks and ensuring a smooth transition to the next stages. With meticulous planning and testing behind us, we approach the go-live phase. This is a pivotal moment where we make the go or no-go decision. Upon a successful go-live, we will move into the hypercare period, providing extensive support to address any immediate post-deployment issues. A post-deployment review will be conducted to capture learnings and ensure objectives have been met before we transition to ongoing support. Finally, we arrive at the closure phase. This is where we cross the finish line and reflect on our journey. It's time to financially close the project, ensuring all accounts are settled. We will conduct a lessons learned session to document our experiences and insights. Project artifacts will be archived for future reference. We'll officially close the project in our PPM system and conduct a benefits realization review to measure our success against the initial objectives. It's a time for celebration and acknowledgement of the hard work from our dedicated teams. As we conclude our short video, we would like to express our sincerest gratitude for your time and interest. Thank you for watching, and follow website programstrategyhq.com for latest updates.